Hey guys, it's Elizabeth. So just popping in with a new video. I am getting stickers in from different Etsy shops and I wanted to share with you what I ordered. So I had planned on using Planner Kate stickers primarily for my main planner for this next year. But then two things happened. I started watching Plan With Me videos for the new planner that came out with Erin Condren, the Daily Duo. And I just started seeing how some of these girls that I'm just loving their planner videos, Bethany and Laura and Samantha from Happily a Housewife, all these different girls, all tag their videos, their channels. Primarily those three ladies. Watching their Plan With Me has just got me excited for the Daily Duo. So then I thought maybe for that planner, I would try out another shop. So Simply Smith Stickers, and I'm pretty sure it's Laura. I used her code, and I think I should be getting some freebies and some fun stuff. So I'll put her code down below if you decide to use it. I saved 20% off on the stickers, and I'm just super excited to try this. So I wanted to show you guys here because this is what the packaging looks like how cute. I already just opened it, so it's a little bit easier. And then I love that she's using stickers to package the stickers. Okay, just got it out of the wrapping because you don't want to hear that. So let's jump in. Okay, I definitely did not order this, but how cute is this doodle girl eating pizza? Just cute. And then this is the stickers that Laura picked out that you get free when you put her code in. So like a little Keurig and plan and all these cute things. I needed some knives and forks to mark off dinner in our planner because we're going to be planning when we do dinner. And then I got a monthly kit for my Daily Duo. I got the July, and it's 2 pages. So I've got a header and then here. So I'm excited once my planner arrives to set it up and share with you guys, but I just love these colors. Just really bright and fun for summer. I normally don't go super patriotic for a whole month in my planner just because, I don't know, I feel like we just kind of focus more on like summery and then we just celebrate the country like on one day. But that's just me. I just love all the fun colors. Okay. And then I ordered Daily Duo planning pages. And so, if you want to, you can, kind of look at what code these are, but this one I got for Melon. And so these are like a smaller kit. I don't know what they were called. I can't remember, but, I will link the shop down below so you can check it out. But I love the watermelon theme, and I would show you my planner, but I don't have it yet. It's shipping. So I will show you a Plan With Me or show you what it looks like when I start putting these kits in. But I got this melon kit, and it's basically for one day, but you'll end up with extra stickers. So, but what I figured is that I'm going to do a spread. I'm going to do the Friday and the Saturday, Sunday spread and do it all in the melon. And then if I want to order more pieces to do it, I can. So for the melon kit, I actually ordered 2 sheets. I got the one with the boxes to use so I could do it for a couple days, and I got the one with all the extra washi. So I figured I'll see if I can make the kit go a little bit further than what it's technically supposed to be used for. And then for all the other Daily Duo kits, I just ordered the 1 sheet. But for this, I figured let me do the 2. Let's see how it goes. Let's see what I like. And then I got this one right here. This one's called, I guess there is a name at the top. This one's called Melon Me Crazy. It's for the Duo. This one is called Binge Watch, and I think there are script stickers that you can order that go with it. So there's multiple pieces for the kits, and I just went really simple. But I love this because it was pink and teal and navy and just really, really pretty. And then there's a spot for check boxes, for you to put on, and then you put the date here. And then this goes over the bottom section. I guess it's a little bit hard for me to show you when I don't have the Daily Duo in front of me, but I feel like I know because I've seen so many other Plan With Me's. Love this one. This is called Tropical Bliss with all the pineapples. Our family is supposed to be in Hawaii this last week, I guess, but with all that's going on with Corona, nope. And then, I don't know if you can tell yet, but I'm a sucker for fruit, right? I got pineapple and I got the melon. And then I also got the lemon kit. It's just so cute. This one's called Lemonade. And then this one is called Soak Up the Sun. I just love the tropical vibes for summer. And then this one is called Fitness Girl. And again, just looks really fun and summery. And I figured I'm just going to see how this goes for the Daily Duo. I may not order a kit every, day. But I may try to see how far these go and then pairing it with washi and things like that I already have. Now this is a different take, and I have not seen anybody else do anything like this. if I'm mistaken anyway. I mean, there may be other shops, but I just loved this. These are full sheet stickers that go in the notes page. So here's a gifts guide, and you just peel this off, and now you have a full sticker for one of your note pages. So when there's the different holidays and things like that, I can start coming up with different ideas and plan ahead. Love this for a reading tracker, and I can write the name of the book on the spine. Thought that was super fun. Home improvement projects, so I could write like the months of the year and then what projects do we plan on doing that month. And it'd be good to look back and go, oh, like 3 months and we didn't do any projects, or wow, we've really done a lot to the house. So, and then the last one, nope, 2 more. Oh my goodness, I got an extra reading tracker. I wonder if I ordered 2. Am I really planning on reading a lot of books, or did they give me an extra one? I'll have to check my order. I don't know if I did or not. Okay. And then the last one I got was a kit tracker. And this is to track what kits I'm going to use. So like I've been ordering different kits for the different weeks, so I can write down the month and then a kit for each week. And that way I'm not like double ordering or just thinking I need more than I do. Because for the most part, a kit usually can last a week. It just depends. So I just like this. I may need to get another one of these. So I have one for the daily duo and one for the hourly, which is what my plan is with my planner. So I hope you guys like this haul. I'm excited to try this new shop, and I just thought everything was super adorable. And the prices are really good. And then with a 20% off coupon code, like you just can't go wrong. So I'm excited to try all this stuff. All right, guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.